Right now, we're seeing a significant sentiment score of plus 0.80 in the hardware sector, despite a momentum dip of minus 0.36. This suggests a surprising divergence. While general interest may be waning, positive sentiment is still robust. It's unusual to see such a high sentiment score under these conditions, indicating that while momentum may be faltering, conviction in certain hardware innovations remains strong. Our API returns detailed sentiment insights, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into sentiment analysis. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm. You can leverage this data to identify buying opportunities in hardware stocks that show strong positive sentiment despite negative momentum trends. This could give you a competitive edge. For more insights, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.